In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own connectors. All the materials are from our shop, www.beadsandbasics.com. Put your bead on your head pin. In this case, I'm just using one bead, but of course you can use as many as you can. Make a nice pattern, put some smaller beads on the side. Whatever you want, it's your own thing. Take your round pliers and then make an eye on one side. Now there's a few tricks to actually make a neat eye. Of course, if you're just starting out, you also need some practice, but here are some essential tricks that'll make it a lot easier. First of all, do not place your head pin completely at the end like this or too far back like this. You just want about 2-3 millimeters sticking out. Also, the place in your pliers matters quite a lot. Don't put it completely at the end like this. Your eye will be too small. Also, your eye will be too big. So this is just something, practice it a few times and you'll get the hang of it. Then you're gonna fold. And this is another essential trick. When you're at this point, bend backwards. And then we're gonna completely close. And this is just a thing that if you're a beginner and you don't know this, you're like, why is my eye not turning out properly? That little bend backwards, that will give you good shape. To completely close it, you're going to use flat pliers, close it, and this is your first eye. So it's not completely centered yet. We're going to do that at the end when we made our other one on the other side. So cut your head pin off about just a little bit less than 1 centimeter. And again, place your pliers, fold, bend backwards, and then close. Always use flat pliers to completely close it, because if you use the round ones, it'll slip, and oftentimes because you're slipping, you're actually like screwing up the nice little eye that you just made. So just take some flat pliers. It's just 1 second, but it makes a difference. So you can see the eyes are not completely lined up yet. So what we're gonna do is one on this side and pliers on the other side. And we're just gonna turn so they're facing each other neatly. And you made your own connector.